Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying system requirements and immediate fixes. Make sure Windows is 64-bit and the build meets the beta minimum. Enable virtualization in BIOS if the emulator needs it. Once done, confirm the Google Play Games beta app is installed and you have at least 10% free drive space and a stable internet connection. Also, use an administrator account and switch the power plan to balanced or high performance. Finally, disable VPN and close heavy apps so the installer can run unhindered. You now handle more complex repairs step by step. First, reset the app data from settings, reset then reboot, because corrupted local data often causes beta errors. Next, repair core Windows components by running sfc/scano and dism restore health from an elevated prompt. These fix system file issues that block the emulator. Then confirm virtualization components. Enable Hyper-V and Virtual Machine Platform. Update the WSL kernel if used, and restart related services. You finish by reinstalling and validating the environment. Uninstall Google Play Games, remove leftover folders under Program Files and App Data, then install the latest build from the Microsoft Store or official MSI. After install, sign in and grant permissions. Make sure Play services and in-app components update before launching a game, because partial updates break startup. If problems persist, collect logs, perform a clean boot, or create a new Windows user profile to isolate configuration issues. Those steps frequently reveal or resolve lingering errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.